I'm Ben Robinson. The company name is EXEO Energy. We have an office in Machynlleth and we design and install solar photovoltaic, battery storage and electric vehicle charging points. Oherwydd newid hinsawdd i ddweud y gwir, felly mae pobl yn eisiau paneli photovoltaic a systemi batteries a man i chargio ceir trydan. Well, the local area has a great reputation in regards to renewable energy. You're probably aware of Dillas in the Valley. I started as a trainee in my career there, worked up to director level, and then Baywari moved into the town. There is then spin-offs from CAT. And also other local companies satisfying the renewable energy industry. It's where I'm from, really. I was born in Aberystwyth. I've been based in Machynlleth for 25 odd years now. And so it was really nice to be able to set up here and provide decent, skilled work in a growth industry for local people. Yeah, well, it's known as an area of environmental sustainability. There are various initiatives in the valley, and there are a lot of people from the renewables industry, experts in the field. The spin outs from the Centre of Alternative Technology, but also that base of knowledge and I guess an awareness locally that might not be elsewhere. So it's good to be based and have an office in that kind of area. Yeah. Edrych am achwilio swyddfa sydd yn digon mawr fod ni gallu tyfu a tyfu a tyfu i ddweud y gwir. Owen and myself, we're quite ambitious. So in my ideal world, I'd like to franchise the brand. I think we have the systems in place, the relationships with the suppliers, the knowledge and the expertise to be able to develop a franchise that could be rolled out across the whole of the UK initially, but maybe the world, and that would allow us to secure better pricing for the products that we could then distribute across those to the franchisees across the UK, but maintaining that high quality, high technical knowledge and great customer service. Chwilio pobl ymddiried sy'n hoffi gweithio yn galed achos mae pobl yn gallu tyfu yn eu gwaith a felly dwi'n meddwl hwnna mor bwysig i cael y pobl dda. The culture of sustainability and awareness basically is it helps, and it's home